PowerPoint Chapter 4, Step-by-Step Video 1. Okay, for this first activity, what we need is we need to open up special events from your folder. So hopefully you have downloaded your working files into a PowerPoint folder, and in your PowerPoint folder you should have a folder called Chapter 4. Okay, so I'm going into Chapter 4 and I want to open special events. Alright, so this is our special events file, and we need to file Save As. Okay, and it's going to go right back into our Chapter 4 folder. It is going to be our username and special events solution. And hit save. Alright. Okay, so what we're doing in this chapter is we are changing designs, themes, colors, stuff like that. Okay, we want to click on the Design tab up here at the top. All right, and we are going to click on the More button on the themes. So remember, in the Mac, it's this little in the middle, that down arrow or triangle. Now, the book asks us to, and you can hover, but my version of the Mac, the live preview doesn't work, so I don't know if you guys' live preview works. If it does, you can go and see how all of them work and what they look like. If you want to see what a specific one looks like, you can click on that. Just make sure you undo. All right, so the textbook asks for Parallax as the theme that we're going to choose, and there is no Parallax theme. So we are going to go with, I believe it's Ion, this green one right here. Okay, so this is the closest one, and I actually think it is the Parallax that is on the PC. So click on that Ion. And so this is what you get. Now, when you pick a theme, you also get variants. So you could go up here and you could click it, make an orange, use that theme, but make it orange, make it blue. We're going to go with the purple one. Okay, so that is what we are applying. Okay, all right, hit save for us. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change theme colors. So if you'll go up here in the variants group, there is a More button, okay? And we're going to go down here to colors, and then these are all the different colors that you can create, okay? We're going to go with this blue warm. And so I'm going to pick on that. Now you may not see much of a change. If I undo it, notice the change that happened. Okay, it's the kind of the color of the text, and the background color actually did change a little bit. Okay, so we're going to go with blue warm. All right, the next thing we want to do is we want to go back up there to colors, and down at the bottom where it says customize colors, we want to click on that, and you will get this dialog box that pops up. Okay, now what this is this tells you different colors that you can change of different stuff. Like the text background color is dark 1, and so it gives you a color for each one. We're going to go down here where it says hyperlink, and it's purple. We're going to actually change that hyperlink to white. Okay, and then we're going to close that. So notice it changed the hyperlink to white. We are going to go right here where it says custom to, and we are going to name this color theme so that we can use it later if we want to. Okay, this is what I will be grading to see if you actually do, and see if it pops up on your variants when you upload it. Okay, so South Ridge is what we're naming it. We're going to hit save. And so if you go up here to colors again, you will notice now you have this South Ridge, and it's saved, and so we can use that color scheme if we want to use it for anything else. Okay, all right, awesome. Let's hit save. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change theme fonts. So back up here where it says variant, okay, you'll notice right here it says fonts, and these are all the theme fonts that you could choose from. Okay. Again, if you want to see what one looks like, you can click on it. But you can't see a live preview. Okay, the one we want to stop on is Canberra. Okay, so click on it, and this is what it will look like. So your font kind of changed, and so there's several fonts in there, and different fonts do different things on each slide. All right, so that is how we change our theme fonts. Okay, hit save. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is apply a different slide layout. Okay, so now there, I don't know, that's not it yet. We're not there yet. We've got one that we cannot do, so I will have to, I'll tell you when we get to that. Okay, click on your Home tab, and then click on Slide 5. We want to click on the new slide button, okay, in the slides group. And so we're not going to click on the pull down. We're just going to click on the slide. And it is going to give you the same slide layout that the one previous slide was. Okay, so it's going to follow the same slide layout. So up here where it says title, we are going to type the title, contact information. Okay, and then we are going to go down here into our bulleted list area, and we are going to type, okay, so for the first one, 456 River Road, and at the end of road, we are going to do Shift Enter, and we do that so that it doesn't create a new bullet, and it keeps these two lines together. So now it's going to be Cincinnati, Ohio, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're going to hit enter. Sorry, my brain went blank. And so yes, this will be a new bullet, and we are going to type our phone number, and then 0131. And then we're going to do fax. Um, 0132. Okay, I think I missed a space up here. So there you go. All right, so that's what you should type. All right, we're going to make a couple of changes to this. The first thing we want to do is we want to make this not a bulleted list. So we are going to select all of our text, and we're going to go up here to the paragraph group, and this is our bullets, and we're going to click on it, and it's going to remove our bullets for us. Okay. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to change the layout of this slide. So we're going to go up here to layout. Okay. And the layout that we want to pick is to content. All right, so we're going to go to this one that says to content. So it's going to have a title and then 2 different contents. And we are going to click over here in this second bulleted list, or the second text box. And we are going to type directions from I-100 east, comma, take exit 35 south, and then parenthesis 7th Street, parenthesis to River Road, period, turn, mouse not working, turn right on River Road, comma, and look for us on the left after 2 miles. Okay, so this is what we did. We type all of that. So if you need to, pause the video so you can catch up on typing. Okay, we are going to also remove the bullet from this set of text. So we're going to click on the bullet button. And we're also going to format our font to size 24. So make sure you're on the Home tab. And then we're going to go up here and we're going to change it to 24. All right. And we want to do the same thing to this one over here. We want to change it to size 24. Okay, so that is how, and you can click off of it anywhere. And this is how you add a new slide, change the layout, and then also you can type on it, how to keep your lines together, all that fun stuff. Okay, hit save. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to click on slide 6, and we want to click on the design tab up here at the top, and we want to click the more button in the variants group. Okay, this is actually where Mac is a little different than a PC, and I'm going to go over it just a little and show you what you can do so you know you can do it on a Mac or on a PC. But if you go down here where it says background styles, you can actually pick one of these, and the book tells you to pick style 8, which is this one. And you are supposed to, when you click on it, it should say apply to all or apply to selected. And with the Mac, it does not. I've tried to right click it. I can't figure out how to get it to only apply to this slide. Okay, so we're going to hit undo, and we're just going to keep this right here because after doing it, it really doesn't make a difference if we actually do that to that slide, because we're going to do some more stuff to this slide. All right. Okay. So I'm going to stop this video right here. And with the next video, we will continue with the next step by step.